Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I just wanted to share some insight with you all out there, because I know a lot of us are going through the process of learning more and more about stock market and day trading and things of that nature. So just thought I would start sharing some quick downloads with you all. So that way, as we go through this process of education and learning more and more of how to trade stocks and how to day trade, we can help each other out and guide each other along the process of it all, because the process and the education part is really the most important part before you even start investing your money. So what we're going to do is allow you guys to listen to a couple of the stock market tips that we have here, and day trading tips and things of that nature, and a little bit of insight. And this will actually be a sample. So we have 10 golden rules of stock market day trading. But right here, we're going to share with you 3 of the 10. And then if you want to download the others, just click on the link that is on this video, and you can actually download the whole entire article and download the whole entire audio too as well. So we appreciate your time, but we're going to go over this quick summary and this quick 3 tips that we want to share with you right quick. And then, like I said, just download from the link on this video and you can get all 10. So we're going to start with rule number 1, and that is, I must follow my rules. And this is very important, because it says, naturally, if you develop a set of rules that are to be followed, it is human nature to want to vary or break rules. And it takes discipline to continue to act in accordance with the established rules. And the reason that is so important is because the discipline in itself is the very thing that is going to allow you to execute your plan. Because you can come up with plans all day, you can think about these things all day, you can think about success all day, you can think about trading stocks all day, but if you do not have the discipline to actually execute it, well, then this stuff is just all in your head. So that's why this is very important, and you must have rules set in place that allow you to stay within the parameters of those rules and stay within the parameters of the success that you're trying to attain in day trading, because your emotions will be all over the place. I'm telling you, I know I experienced this myself. But when you have rules set in place, and you'll learn more about this as you go through the process of learning more and more education on how to trade stocks. And then you'll learn how to craft certain rules that's, apply to you personally, because everybody's rules sometimes are different, especially as you learn more of the different strategies in dealing with the stock market and day trading. But you must follow your rules, just like rule number 1 says. Follow your rules, because I'll go over this again. Because naturally, if you develop a set of rules, they are to be followed. And it is human nature to want to vary or break those rules. And it takes discipline to continue to act in accordance with the established rules. That's very important, folks. That's why that is number 1. And then number 2, I will never risk more than 3% of my total portfolio on any one stock trade. There are many old traders. There are many bold traders, but there are never any old, bold traders. Protecting your capital base is fundamental to successful stock market trading over time. Man, when I say that, it's so important, because you don't want to blow up your whole entire account. And when you're out there just jumping out on a whim, especially in the beginning stages, and you're going through the process of learning how to really perfect your technique and your strategies of day trading and in the stock market, you want to start off with small, tiny risk here and there, so you can start learning the patterns, and you can start learning your strategies, and you can start learning the ebbs and flows and the nuances of stock market day trading. Because that way, if you learn it with smaller amounts, as you win some and you lose some, it doesn't hurt as bad when you lose some. But some of these things you only learn through the process of actually trading. And as you get better at it, then you can actually start investing more and make bigger trades and make bigger profits. But in the beginning especially, rule number 2, I will never risk more than 3% of my total portfolio on any one trade. Remember that, folks. That is very important. No more than 3% of your total portfolio on any one trade. And then rule number 3, I will cut my losses at 5% to 15% when I am wrong about a particular stock trade, without question. That is something very, very important, folks. Another one. These are 3 real important ones. Then it continues to say some traders have an even lower tolerance for loss. The key point here is to have set points, which is a stop loss, and you'll learn more about that later too as well, within the limits of your tolerance for loss. Stay informed about the performance of your stock and stick to your stop loss point. Now, like I said, these 3 are very important. That's why I want to start off with these 3. And I think these will help you get on track. And as you learn more and more education about stock market day trading, you will literally see how these 3 are very important, and you'll learn how to really apply these 3 in your strategies. But like I said, I don't want to take up more of your time because I know you have to go. But if you don't mind, do me a favor and click on the link on this video, and then that way you can get the whole entire list of the 10 golden rules for stock market and day trading. And as you listen to them, apply them too as well. And also be patient with yourself. Go through the process. Like I said, go through the education process before you even start investing money. Go through the education process and then start dabbling a little bit here and there. But take some time out and be patient with yourself and learn as much as you can first. As always, we're here to help you, and we have more downloads that you can go to as well as you come back to the website. Kind of just scan through and scroll through and look around. We have tons of other audio downloads for you guys to download to help you out with this education process too as well. And if there's anything else that we can help you with too, just shoot us an inbox or hit us up and ask us any questions that you have, because we always say there's no dumb question. Just ask any question that you have. What them geniuses used to say, the only dumb question is the unasked one. So ask any questions that you have, and hopefully if we don't have the answer to it, we'll point you in the direction of someone that does. But you must learn more in order to earn more. So we appreciate your time, folks, and keep going for it. And hey, let's all go for it together, folks, because that way, if you learn more, you earn more. If we learn together, we can earn together, and we can make these dreams happen that we've been thinking about forever, Lord. So appreciate your time. Click on the link on this video and download the rest of these insights that we want to share with you guys. And let us know too how we can actually make things better for you too as well. And we want to help you out along the process. And let's keep going for it, folks. All right, take care. God bless, and share this with your friends too as well. Anybody else that you know that might be interested in stock market and day trading. Thanks again, folks. God bless.